Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I introduce to you the Battle for Grandma cooking show. In this show, we gather some of the Object Show world's best cooks to cook us a burger. And this week, we have Plug, or Charger Block, or whatever the hell his name is. I'm kidding, now shut up! You have to make us a burger in under 30 minutes. Time starts. Not done. What? I'm done. The burger is right here. How did you make it so fast? Secret. Well, okay then. Come on, guys. Let's have a taste, I guess. Oh. If you give me $5, I'll let you in the cab. It's a deal.